Pause for a moment, not to think about money, but to notice how your body reacts when you hear the word. Do you feel calm or tight, curious or guarded, hopeful or quietly exhausted? Because that reaction, right there, may be the very reason wealth has struggled to stay in your life. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how money seems to come close, but never quite settle? How opportunities appear, but somehow dissolve? How no matter how hard you try, there is always a ceiling you cannot seem to break through? What if the problem is not your effort, not your intelligence, not your discipline? What if the block is something far more subtle and far more powerful? What if your money mindset, the beliefs you rarely question, the emotions you barely notice, the tension your body holds automatically, is quietly pushing wealth away? Ask yourself honestly, do you feel safe when you think about having more money? Or do you feel pressure? Do you believe wealth would bring freedom or responsibility you are afraid to carry? Do you trust yourself to handle abundance? Or do you secretly fear losing it? And here is the question most people never ask. What if your money mindset is not broken, but protective? Protecting you from disappointment, from judgment, from repeating old pain. If that is true, then forcing yourself to think positive or work harder will never solve the problem. In this video, we are not going to motivate you or push you or tell you to hustle more. We are going to gently uncover the hidden ways your mindset may be blocking wealth without you even realizing it. And more importantly, we are going to help you feel safe enough to finally let abundance stay. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you may realize you were never bad with money. You were simply protecting yourself in a way you no longer need. Wealth is rarely blocked by circumstances. Most people believe money problems are caused by the outside world, the economy, the job market, the lack of opportunity, bad timing. But circumstances do not decide long-term wealth. Patterns do, and patterns are created internally. How you perceive money, how your body reacts to money, how your mind anticipates money. These invisible reactions quietly shape what stays in your life. Affirm softly, I am willing to look beneath circumstances. I understand patterns shape outcomes. Awareness begins my change. The subtle beliefs that quietly repel wealth. Money mindset blocks are rarely loud. They sound reasonable. Things like, I just need to be more careful. Money never lasts. I do not want to get my hopes up. It is safer not to expect too much. These beliefs feel protective, but protection often limits expansion. Wealth requires emotional permission to stay. Affirm gently, I recognize protective beliefs without judgment. I allow myself to expand safely. New beliefs are forming now. When the nervous system associates money with stress. For many people, money equals stress, arguments, fear, pressure, responsibility. So even when money appears, the body tightens. And what the body tightens against, it cannot hold comfortably. This is not sabotage. It is conditioning. Affirm softly, I understand my body learned these reactions. I am safe to create new associations. Money can feel calm and manageable. Why wanting more can trigger guilt. Another common block is guilt. Guilt for wanting more. Guilt for wanting ease. Guilt for wanting stability or freedom. This guilt silently pushes wealth away because the subconscious asks, if having more makes me bad, why receive it? Releasing guilt is not greed. It is healing. Affirm gently, I release guilt around desiring abundance. My desires are valid and safe. I allow myself to receive more. The fear of losing what you have. Sometimes wealth is blocked not by lack, but by fear of loss. If money feels temporary, the mind stays vigilant. Vigilance creates tension. Tension disrupts flow. Wealth grows best in relaxed systems. Affirm softly, I release fear of loss. I trust my ability to manage change. Stability is possible for me. How control becomes a block. Trying to control every financial outcome often signals fear. Control tightens energy. Trust opens it. This does not mean ignoring responsibility. It means releasing obsession. Affirm gently, I replace control with confidence. I trust my decisions and adaptability. Money responds to my openness. Emotional reactions that interrupt wealth flow. Strong emotional reactions around money, panic, excitement, shame, comparison, disrupt consistency. Consistency is what builds wealth. Neutrality allows consistency. Affirm softly, I meet money neutrally. I release emotional extremes. Calm supports my financial growth. Why overthinking blocks opportunity? Overthinking creates hesitation. Hesitation delays action. Delayed action misses timing. A calm mind acts clearly. Affirm gently, I release overthinking around money. I trust simple decisions. Clarity opens opportunities. The identity conflict around wealth. If wealth conflicts with your identity, it will not stay. If you see yourself as someone who struggles, wealth feels unfamiliar. Identity must shift before outcomes stabilize. Affirm softly, I am evolving my financial identity. I see myself as capable and grounded. Wealth aligns with who I am becoming. Why awareness alone begins the unblocking. You do not need to fix everything at once. Awareness loosens blocks naturally. Each time you notice a reaction, and pause instead of judging, you soften resistance. Affirm gently, I notice my money mindset with compassion. Awareness dissolves resistance. Change is already happening. Releasing the need to rush the healing. Money mindset. Healing is not linear. There will be calm days and tense moments. This does not mean you are failing. It means integration is occurring. Affirm softly, I allow this process to unfold naturally. I do not rush my healing. My relationship with money improves steadily, creating safety for wealth to stay. Wealth stays where it feels welcome. Welcome means calm, trust, emotional safety, self-respect. Begin creating that environment internally. Affirm gently, I create a safe inner environment for wealth. Money feels welcome in my life. Stability supports my growth. Take one final slow breath. Notice the softness in your body, the clarity in your thoughts, the absence of judgment. Your money mindset has not been blocking wealth to punish you. It has been protecting you. And now it is ready to learn a new way. Be patient. Be gentle. Return to awareness daily. As your mindset softens, wealth will stop resisting, because money does not stay where fear lives. It stays where safety, trust, and calm presence exist.